Step-by-step makeup tutorial for beginners. First is face primer to prime the face. Next is foundation. Next is contour. Next is cream blush. I'm using 2 shades of the blush. Next is concealer to highlight. Blend that in. Next is press powder to set the concealer. Next, a darker shade of that same press powder to set the contour. Next is a powder blush to set the cream blush. Next is setting powder to set the face and define the contour. Next is nose contour, a little nose contour. Dust off the powder. Leave the under eye for eyeshadow fallout. Next is eyes. First, I'm using a light orange shade for the crease. Then a brown shade for the same crease. Then I'm using a darker brown shade for the outer crease. For the lid, I'm using a red shade. Blend the crease, blend all the edges. Then I'm using a white eyeliner for the waterline. Blend that in. Then I use that the same eyeshadow I use on my eyelid for the under eye. Then I line the then I line the eyes with a black liquid eyeliner. Then mascara, false lash. That is all for the eyes. Next is highlighter to highlight the face. Next is lips. And this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Support me. Thank you very much. God bless you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.